Yeah, so you have the PDF file connected to this video here. It's called Don't Let Go. And what I would recommend you to do is to learn each hand separately. And funk is a lot based on coordination. So when we get up to tempo, it's going to be un, dos, tres, si. Stuff like that, or even faster. So yeah, so the right hand, I would just count it like 1 and 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. So we divide everything into eighth notes. So first it's 2 eighth notes, 1 and then it's an eighth note with 2 16. So it's 2 E and then the third note is just laying 3 and 4 E and. This way it gets easier, otherwise sometimes you have to challenge like one, and you don't know what's going on. So what we do here instead is we play the rhythm exactly as written and we say it, so it's 1 and 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 and 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and then we can do a bit faster. 1, 2, 3, E. 1 and 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 2 and so 1 and 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and then the right hand is like 1 and 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and 2, so it's 1 and 2 E and a 3 and a 4 E and a 1 and 2 E and a 3 and a 4 E and a. Yeah, and then we put them together slowly. 1, 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 and a 4 E and a 2 E and a 3 and a 4 E and a 1 and 2 E and a 3 and a 4 E and a 2 E and a 3 and a 4 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 3 and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 and a 4 E and a. So what ends up happening is that there's almost 16th note going all the time between the hands. First it's just an eighth note, 1 and then it starts 2 E and 3 and there we rest, and then 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and this repeats. And then you can take it up a bit. 1 and 2 E and 3 and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 and 4 E and 2 E and 3 and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 and 4 E and then there's a part going into G7, the same bass line. And to go there we can go do da ba da. So in the end, we go 1 and 2 E, 1 and 2 E and 3 and 4 E and 2 E and 3 and 4 and 2 E and 3 and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3. And instead of going with this here where you lay, you go 1 da 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 4 E and so we'll try this. 1 and 2 E and 3 and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 and 4 and so 3 and 4 and you go 3 and 4 to get a nice disco bass happening. So again we take this 3 2 1 and 2 E and 3 and 4 E and 1 E and 2 E and 3 and 4 2 and the 3 and the 4 and the 1 and 2 and the 3 and 4. And then we come up to G, and it's the same pattern. 1 and 2 and the 3 and the 4 and the 2 and the 3 and 4 and the 1 and 2 and the 3 and the 4 and 2 and the 3 and 2 and the 3 and the 4 and the 1 and 2 and the 3 and 1 and 2 and the 3 and the 4 and to get out of that, we go then C and C sharp D. So it's 2 bars G, D, and 2 bars D. It's going to be 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And then when it's a bit fast, it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so then it starts grooving, get into a trance state. And then for this, you can do a blues lick. This is a triplet. 3 and 4, 3 and a half, 3 and a half, 4 and a half, 3 and a half, 4 and a half. So it's 16th note. This is a 16th note triplet. So from G7 it's going to be done. Bit slower. And then you land on D minor. So that from G7 is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, again 3, 0, 3, 0. And then we take up at full speed. 1, 2, 3, Yeah. So that way you can practice this and get up your coordination happening. And funk, then you have lots of this blues scale. Stuff like that. And then you can go fourths also. Use. You can do the pentatonic scale, D minor. Stuff like that. And then you can try with the second groove, which is a bit less active than left hand, but the same. You can try to improvise with that. And it's like 1, 2, 3, so forth. You can use those licks. And then you go back to the groove, 3, 4. Stuff like that. And then there's other parts of the song, but this is the kind of major thing in getting this groove going. So that's pretty good practice if you want to, build up your funk chops. So have a nice time.